Welcome back, everyone! Today, we're diving into a game changer for golf lovers, the Bushnell Wingman View Golf GPS Bluetooth Speaker Bundle by Wearable for You. If you're looking to level up your golf experience with music, GPS precision, and high-quality accessories, this one's for you. Let's see what makes this bundle stand out. First, let's talk about the main highlight, the Bushnell Wingman View. It features a bright and easy-to-read LCD screen that delivers both music information and critical GPS details. You can get visual distances to the green and even up to 6 hazard distances per hole. The sound quality, top-notch, as expected from Bushnell Golf, giving you both entertainment and accuracy on the course. What really elevates the Wingman View is the redesigned remote button. With this, you can control music, volume, and get audible distance readings for over 36,000 courses worldwide. Plus, it even plays first tee introductions and sound bites. Convenience is key here, and this remote ensures you have complete control with just a click. The integrated bite magnetic card mount is another standout feature. This innovative design lets you easily attach the speaker to your golf cart, keeping it secure even over bumps. Whether you're cruising the fairway or stopping to tee off, the Wingman View stays in place, ready to deliver crystal clear audio and crucial golf data. Impressed yet? The bundle also includes Wearable for You Ultimate earbuds with a 1500 mAh power pack, plus wall and car chargers to keep your devices powered up wherever you are. If you're serious about enhancing your game, the Bushnell Wingman View could be your perfect companion. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Ready to elevate your golf game? Let's tee off with style and precision.